water. It's one of the most important resources we have on Earth. Protecting and conserving freshwater resources is essential to ensuring water security, allowing for a future in which our children can thrive. Here in Guyana, we are surrounded by such a special and crucial ecosystem where water flows throughout the length and breadth of the country, primarily through its three main river systems, the Essequibo, Demerara, and Berbice. Our river systems are amongst the largest in South America and support massive amounts of biodiversity. These river systems also provide a number of crucial services, as they are the main source of fresh water needed to grow the food that we eat. We depend on our natural freshwater systems to grow our rice, our sugar, our cash crops, and our livestock. And so, we have created our own systems that help channel all this water to our farms and homes. Our dependency on the rivers goes beyond just agricultural activity. Rivers function as the main arteries for transportation of people and products and is key for our economic activities in the extractive sector. Unfortunately, though, this incredible natural resource is becoming more and more at risk every day. Climate change-related events, such as droughts and extreme flooding, pollution tied to agriculture, and other high-impact land use activities such as mining, and poor waste management are among the main threats that are seriously impacting the quality, availability, and conditions of fresh water in Guyana. This lack of foresight is causing serious issues to the health and well-being of humans, especially for the most vulnerable ones. Nevertheless, there is hope still. We must ensure that the government remains committed to keeping conservation efforts at the forefront of our country's present and future. As citizens, it is our responsibility to work towards ending the degradation and misuse of our freshwater resources. We all can and must do our part by shifting towards more sustainable practices that can help us grow, while also keeping us and our freshwater systems safe and vibrant, exactly as they should be. Together, we can keep our waters healthy, ensuring a better future for nature and our people.